Andito ako sa balcony. On the way home, naglalakad lang kami. And then, ang dami kong thoughts, dami kong doubts sa sarili ko. Because even then, I wasn't consistent at vlogging. And now I'm back again. I just feel it in my... Naisip ako for a split second, did I come inside the right room? Kasi usually hindi ka nang gugulo eh. Ako yun eh. Role ko yun eh. Ako yung nang bubuisit sa kanya eh. Klingi ka na.
It's always in my head. Can never get enough. Got summer feeling rough. Me and my friends dance until we drop. And the good times don't stop.
Cutie ni Dito. Dito sa puso ko. Ay! Napaka-bright naman. Good morning! It is day 2 here in Jeju Island. And this is the outfit. Ayan. Ay, nagmamatch ako sa ano. This is the outfit. And I just have a long skirt. Basta mamaya, you will see the full look. I already did my makeup. I made separate videos for this makeup look. By the time you're watching this, they're probably out na and you know where to find them. I feel like a glowing princess right now. Wow. My skin is glowing. A clean girl lang yung hairstyle natin today. My necklace is from Kola, the usual place where I get all my kaartehan necklaces. And then just a baby blue top. And then, gagamitin ko si Doxy bag. This is from Tom Brown. Kumusta naman ang view natin dyan? Mima Soros. And then my shades. Ito yung shades natin today. This is from Baobab. And every time I wear a Baobab piece, I just feel very babby. Today, we're gonna go on a Klook tour. And if you guys didn't know this by now, if gusto nyo ng 5% sa mga Klook activities, do not hesitate. I mean, in your own... Oh, hi! It's okay, it's okay! Thank you! Are you from the Philippines also?
No, we're from Canada.
Oh, thank you! Thank you! Do you want to say hi?
Hi!
Nice to meet you. Is it your first time here? Cute talaga ng mga random encounters. Usually, pag nagtutour kami ni Bebu, may extra bag talaga kaming dala. In this case, ako lang yung may extra bag, no? This is the fit.
Further out.
Ay, further pa. Further. Sige, na tayo. Yay! It's gonna be a good day today. Good morning! We are now walking to Ocean Suites Hotel because that's the pickup point. So it's just siguro a 5-minute walk away from our hotel. Yung tour na kinuha namin sa Klook, it's called Jeju South and West. And I'm just gonna put a picture here. Tapos, and also the link sa description box. May description box na. There are 2 options. We have East and West na tour. Yung pinili namin is yung East 1-day authentic tour. Ang ganda. This is the walk going to the hotel. Ayan lang siya, oh. Ayan lang siya, oh. You can see it. Sobrang blessed namin kasi according sa weather app, nung nasa Philippines kami, medyo na-sad kami because we already booked the tickets. Tapos according sa weather app, it was supposed to be rainy today. No, I hope hindi ma-jinx. This is our bus. I believe. Ito na yung mga bus. Ito na. Come on in. Ito na. Maganda siya. In fair. Comfortable ang seat. So, kailangan natin bumili ng pagkain if we want to remain comfortable forever. We're just gonna grab snacks before riding the bus. Hirap naman pag gutom na gutom ka, nagta-travel ka, no? Very yum. Very yum, yum, yum. I'm gonna get this garlic bread and a little bit of vinaigrette. Sabi ko kay Bebo, look what I got. Oh, look what he's got. Sabi niya din. And we didn't buy it together. We bought it separately. I guess we're just meant to be. Cheers. First stop natin, si Ilchuland. Ay, ang ganda. Maganda si Ilchuland. Ano, ang ganda ng Jeju. Sabi nila, pag hahawakan ko daw yung nose and yung ears, magkakaanak ako. If hahawakan ko yung nose, gonna have a baby boy. If hahawakan ko yung ears, it's for money, and others say na it's also for a baby girl. So any yung gusto mo? Guys, it turns out, dalawa dapat silang hahawak. It's a prank. Dalawa dapat. You want the boy? You want the boy? Wow!
That was the way, June.
Wow! Sabi naman ng tour guide namin, if you go to Jeju, there are 3 things that you must see. 1 is the... Ano nga yun? 1, you have to see a henyo. 2, you gotta try a tangerine. And 3, you gotta see the stone. We're going to the cave. Ang lamig. Nasa taas pa lang kami. I've seen a few videos na nagsasabi na malamig yung cave. But now, andito pa lang kami sa taas and I can actually feel like there's a change in temperature. Change in temperature. We're inside the cave now. Ang lamig. Yan siya, oh. If you dip your nose, it brings a year of health. If you dab your forehead, accomplishes wishes, and dabbing it on your chin brings wealth and luck. Like this. Get it like that. And then, forehead. Nose. Chin. Yay! This is the final viewing destination out of the total 1.7 kilometer long cave. Those who reach this area will stay healthy by the mysterious spirit of Mission Cave for 365 days.
I go here every year.
We're gonna be healthy. Oh, hi! Health, wealth, and luck then. Nose, forehead, chin.
Health, wealth, and love.
Forehead,
Forehead.
nose, chin.
Town master, very small town. You have to choose only one to make your wish come true. You one is wisdom and strong together. Next year, come again. Her age is 95 years old.
Wow! May nakatira daw dyan, no? Tapos, this house is already 400 years old.
What kind of job?
400 years old.
She is a teacher.
Kinikilig ako. Kasi, if napanood niyo kasi yung show na When Life Gives You Tangerines, ganitong-ganito yung mga bahay. Ayan siya. Kinikilig ako, babe. Buti na lang napanood ko yung When Life Gives You Tangerines. Parang, I have like a glimpse of what he's trying to say. So, Jeju King first daw. So, nauna yung mga lalaki. Shayat Pangga.
I still dream about you every night. Guess I'm wondering if you're alright. I wish I didn't do that.
Bumili ako ng 2 tea. I also got the Jeju horse oil. I got 2. And then I got 1 for the joint. It's for my mom. And my total is 250,000 won. Kamsahamnida. Bumili na kami ni Bebo. Ang bigat. I believe them. I believe them when they say that it's good. Annyeonghaseyo.
Good job.
Kamsahamnida. Yes. Wapo. Ito daw yung 4 original grandpa statues. So they are like 500 years old and you're not even allowed to touch them kasi ito talaga yung pinaka-original sa lahat ng original. Sorry, hindi ko napakita yung kinain. So I ordered dolsot bibimbap, abalone rice for Hazel, seafood ramen for June. Ano sabi mo?
Songsan Ilchulbong.
Dito tayo ngayon sa Sunrise Peak.
Yun na lang.
Ano na lang?
Hindi na sinabi yun.
Shangbong. Ganda. You know, it's giving spirit. U-Spirit, the horse movie. So, boat experience station, women diver performance. Ayan, manonood kami ng women diver performance. Yung mga henyo nagpo-perform. Ang ganda. Swimmable. So beautiful. Ano man lang hambal sa Switzerland man? You have the option to go down. Pero kami pinag-iisipan pa namin if gusto namin bumaba. Kasi kitang-kita naman dito eh. Pero ang ganda ng view dito. We went a little bit closer. So, yan yung mga henyo. Yung basically, yan yung ginagawa ng women. According sa story ni Lolo kanina, women are only doing all the job. Tapos yung mga lalaki daw tawag sa kanila king. Nasa bahay lang sila, drinking and gambling while the women work.
Wake up, I'm about to shake up every little thing, show you all that we can be. Come dance in my
Hanap na kami ng magnet. Siyempre yung magnet na pipiliin natin, yung parang may grandpa stone.
fireflies in the yard, everything's a work of art.
Natulog kami sa bus. Now, nandito kami sa Hamtok. May beach daw dito. Ay, tangerines! Hindi pa ready yung tangerines nila. By November, magiging orange na daw yan. Ang ganda! Parang may beach dito. Paano nyo ba ma-appreciate? Ang ganda! May beach. White sand pa yung beach. Tapos may may bukid. Mo yun? Ayan, so, Hamdok! Grabe no, we are so blessed. Now we are able to go to places and experience experiences now we never thought we would be able to experience ever in our lives.
Can never get enough. That summer feeling left. Ooh, me and my friends dancing till we drop, and the good times don't stop. The good times don't stop. Ooh, the good times don't stop.
Cute! Okay, sinasamahan kami ni Sam pauwi. Kasi dun din siya nakapark malapit sa hotel namin. So, he's just touring us around. So, this is like a shopping street daw, sabi niya. Ganda! Bait niya, nakakainis. We're back home now. Andito ako sa balcony. On the way home, naglalakad lang kami. And then, ang dami kong thoughts. You know, while I was vlogging, while I was filming the whole day, ang dami kong thoughts na parang ang dami kong doubts sa sarili ko. Because I started vlogging way back in 2020. And even then, I wasn't consistent. And now, I'm back again. I just feel it in my... How did you get here? Pasok ka!
Gulo ko yung momentum mo.
Hindi! Alam mo, napaisip ako for split second, did I come inside the right room?
Hindi,
Kasi usually, hindi ka nang gugulo eh. Ako yun eh. Role ko yun eh. Ako yung nang bubuisit sa kanya eh.
Ano?
Klingi ka na! I was telling them on the way home while we were walking. Parang nag-doubt na naman ako. Sabi ko, okay, stop na muna ako mag-vlog. Kasi baka hindi ako consistent. Alam mo yun? Kasi even way back in 2020, hindi ako consistent at all.
Oo nga, bakit? Bakit di ka consistent?
Hindi ko nga alam eh.
Sa TikTok consistent ka?
Hindi mo kasi mako-compare yung TikTok sa YouTube.
Oh.
Makaka-upload ako ng video in just
1 second.
1 second.
Mga 10 seconds.
Kahit hindi ko na kailangan pag-isipan. Tapos, mag-heads up na ako sa inyo na hindi kasi ako talented when it comes to editing.
Hindi ang ganda ng edits niya, guys. Natatawa ako.
Yun
Ibang
nga.
klaseng editing nyo.
Yun nga, yung cut, paste. Yun lang. Tapos, konting hinemerut.
Can you not compare yourself to other people?
Yeah, it's like,
You
oh
have
my
your own
God.
style.
Oh my God.
My God.
You've been nana-fied na talaga. Tignan mo. Ayan. Nana-fied.
Babay na nga. I think ang kailangan mong gawin is to be consistent. Starting off with listing down 10 vlogs na you need to do from October to November.
Okay, fine. We will cross the street. Okay? Cross the street, tapos balikan ko, ha? Oh, looks like it. Wait for me! Mahilig ka sa mga cafe, sa mga coffee. Yung Korea, South Korea is the best place for you to go to. Every corner, every angle. Ay, parking lot yan eh, di ba? Every corner. Ang daming cafe. Pwede ba natin daanan yung may Dachshund na store?
I love... Saan?
Alam mo, Si Hazel na talaga ang perfect example ng estudyante ko. Okay, estudyante. Lahat ng mannerisms ko, lahat ng mga songs ko, gaganin na siya sa akin, JM. Nahalika na. I love...
Na-adapt niya na.
Oo! Diyos ko. Si Louis Castel. JM, meron kasi akong damit from the Ukay. Ganyan na ganyan yung design.
Naku, may uuwing may dala.
Saan?
Ang cute. Dala na lahat.
Ba't ka lalabas, JM?
Mas malamig sa labas.
Haze, kailangan ko bumili ng something taxi. Kasi sa lahat ng countries na napuntahan ko, hindi ako naging successful sa Korea.
Talaga? I love.
Yung isang outfit pala dito, tag 6,000 pesos. Eh, nag-waste pa tayo ng 10 minutes dyan. Sana pagpasok natin, mag-check na tayo ng price para sabihin ko, ay, masama pala yung pakiramdam ko. Ay, nakaagad. Ay, ito gusto to ni Bebo. Diba? Favorite shop ni Bebo yan. Ay, di tayo nag-OOTD check. Ayan, na-OOTD check. Yun lang.
Yun lang.
Sabi namin, JM, if gusto namin, ipo-point namin ng ganyan. If ayaw namin, gaganito.
Okay.
Gamitin mo, gamitin mo.
Bagay sa'yo. Bagay din sa'yo.
Mas bagay sa'yo.
Sarap daw yung ice cream na to. Solbre. Haze, what's the story about this ice cream? Why is it famous?
Mas nakita ko lang na ang daming pila nung kaya hindi kami nakatikim ni Maki. May pila.
Ah, okay. Pag may pila, dun tayo. Parang masarap. Thank you, JM.
Ay, of course, go!
Ay, ayaw niya.
Ayaw ko share.
220 pesos. Thank you.
Thank you na.
Thank you, JM.
Let's try. Hazel recommend.
Tapos pag hindi masarap, Hazel King kasi.
Masarap
Ayan.
sa tinapay. Pero if the ice cream alone, parang medyo sakto lang.
Hindi, Haze. Hindi, you're supposed to eat it there. You're supposed to eat it, You're supposed to eat it like that.
Oo. Para ma-appreciate mo siya.
Sasayaw yan, sasayaw yan. Sabi ko sa'yo eh. Famous daw yung Abebe Bakery. Di ba kanta yun?
Oh, sige. Abebe.
Abebe, bebe, bebe. Mabebe, bebe. Oh, ayan.
Ano ba para nakakita lang?
Artista?
Artista.
Teyong? Teyong?
Baka ako
Nakita si V?
Bebo mo, maka...
Ay, ito na. Ito na. Ang tawag dito. Jeju marinated crab.
Yeah, soy sauce crab.
Soy sauce crab. Ito yung sabi ni Hazel King, ni Ivan, ni Maki, na masarap daw. Yan yung menu. At ito po yung head chef nila. Anyang, masarap ba? Yeah. Masarap?
Nakita ko sa vlog ni Hazel.
Oh, see? Pumunta sila dahil sa'yo.
Nakikain ka.
땐 마시는 게 좋아요 소중한 사람과 함께 마음을 부드럽게 미소를 만들어주니까 조금 서운한 일도 너무 걱정 말아요 오늘을 함께하며 날아가 버릴 거예요
You put rice, and then you put egg. Just a little bit of egg. Okay, and then the seaweed. Yung seaweed na nasa...
Nasa laki.
Okay, go and then mix it together. Wow.
그럴 땐 마시는 게 좋아요 소중한 사람과 함께 마음을 부드럽게 미소를 만들어주니까 오늘을
Never ako nagtanggi sa libre.
Guys, grabe si JM. Lagi kami nililibre.
Nilibre nila ako kagabi, so ako naman mag-do.
At, di niya ba alam? Kasi hindi niya alam eh. Bukas siya din magbabayad.
Ako rin pala.
Yes.
Kayo na pala ngayon.
Thank you, JM.
Yeah.
Bye! Saranghe! Yes! Ba't ka na pa-walk out? Ha?
Hindi ko nakaya.
Kinakahiya mo ba ako? This is our take 2.
Halabong.
Ano, ilan? Tiki-tiki sa tayo? Apat?
We're gonna try it again. We're gonna give it a second chance. Baka iba lang yung
Third
brand.
Cheers! Oh,
Mas masarap to sis. Yan, tama.
sarap no?
We can take this ride wherever it goes. As long as you're with me, I feel at home. Can you tell me why? 'Cause I wanna know. As long as
cute. Parang onigiri style siya. But like, naka-plastic lang siya. So, that's abalone. Octopus yata to eh. May rice sa baba. Ang galing! Ito, may shrimp. Tapos, may egg. May muskat. Ayan. Alright. Thank you, baby. Going to Olive Young. I need conditioner. Kasi, sabi ko kanina, kailangan ko ng conditioner kasi yung hair ko hindi maganda. Sumagot si June. Sabi niya, oo, parang dry.
Grabe, sabi ni June.
Oo. Yung expectations mo, sasabihin niya na, hindi hindi okay naman, ha? Oo, parang dry. Damage has been done. Dito kami sa Blue Elephant. Na naman. Katas, babe, makinig ka. Babe, makinig ka. Babe, di ba nagti-fit-fit? Ganyan. Tapos si JM, nakaganito siya. Biglang tumingin kay Hazel. Sabi ni Hazel, tapos sabi ko, Hazel, eyeglasses talaga ni JM yun, ha?
Akin to. Tagal ko ng suot, sasabihin mo, hindi bagay.
Kasi babe,
Oo, nakita ko nagdalawang isip si Hazel.
oo, di ba? Parang may, Kasi sabi niya sa akin, maganda yung shades ko eh. Sabi niya, I love, pagdating kay JM, second day pa lang natin magkasama.
Hindi, sabi ko nga sa iyan, di ba?
Wala kasi labi.
I'm gonna show you my Olive Young haul. So first thing, brush. Oh, bili ako ng brush, sis, because sabi niya, root volume brush siya. Kailangan ko ng support sa roots. Next is, this is for JM. Tapos, kung magustuhan mo, JM recommends.
Hashtag nanakluk.
Ay, sarap.
Nana si Lyra Clock.
Garlic butter.
Yes. Next na binili ko is parang ito siya. It's for the wrinkles. Kasi meron akong laugh lines dito and may ganito ako. Sabi ko kay Hazel, Hazel, nakita mo ba? Iniwan ako sa Olive Young. That was our last conversation there. Next is breath spray. Bumili ako ng breath spray kasi isa na lang siya. Na-curious ako, ba't ka na lang mag-isa? Tapos si Fino, ayan.
Alright.
Japanese product yan, di ba? Maganda yun sa hair. And then si Yunol.
Sikat na sikat yan.
Sikat kasi to Olive Young Awards first siya. Parang conditioner pero treatment siya at the same time. So, first sikat, sabi ng Koreana nating kaibigan. And ang total bill natin for today's video, 66,301. Okay na yun, ang dami ko nang nabili. Paano? JM recommends?
Sarap, GM recommends. I love it.
And don't forget, Nana si Lyra Clook.
Hazel Clook.
The only way para maging effective ang JM Banquisyon nyo recommends na hashtag is if gagamitin nyo din ang Nana si Lyra Clook. Yun.
Tama?
Binili ko, babe, kasi mag-isa na lang siya. Para malaman natin if truly effective siya. JM na nga. Gusto ko yung automatic na nga din. Ang bait niya.
Kumakain ako. Mental siya. Ba't parang lasang ipikasin?
Ihahatid na namin si JM sa hotel niya. The plan is, after siya namin ihatid, ihatid mo kami ulit. Kasi that's what friends do, JM. Ano lang kami, oh.
Sana pala.
Tara.
Sana pala, iniwan ko na sila doon.
Ikot na tayo.
Sabi ko, sana pala naglakad na lang ako mag-isa. Kaya na yung nagkusa. Ako pala naghirap.
Bye. Bye. Tapos na kami mag-get ready. This is the outfit. If you remember yesterday, pumunta tayo sa Louis Castel. This is the Louis Castel that I have na nakita lang ni Mommy sa Ukay-Ukay. Sir! We are going to 981. Parang racetrack siya. Pero automatic racetrack. And it's actually like a pretty big activity here in Jeju. And the shoes that we're gonna use is the shoes that we bought together. 981 Park. Andito na sila, Hazel. Inside. Hi! Hello! You can buy salvavida for your toy. Salvavida. And it also has goggles. Cutie ni Dito. Dito sa puso ko. So, ito yung entrance kanina. Dito kami pumasok. Straight ka lang. Then you will find this parang may ring. Dito mo ilalog in yung Klook code mo. Code our booking reference. There's always that one girl na parang matalino sa tech. I'm on it. What do you need? Check in?
I'm in.
Yeah. So just give me the code. Wait. G. 7. Amen.
Amen.
Get in the bus.
You never get enough. That's all I'm feeling left.
Sarap naman. French toast kami muna before mag-toast. Try mo muna. Inat, babe. Oh, apaka-plastic. Hindi pa nga nalunok eh. Hindi pa nalunok. Ay, masarap.
Mabakla.
Mali yung reaction ko eh.
Again.
Masarap! Siyempre, mag-shades din ako.
Bawas yung pagbalik.
Ayun din. Free slushy. Magpupoop ako, iiwan ko yung camera ko kay Hazel. Hazel, vlog takeover!
Oo, mo ko sa kanya. Kina niya guys, di naniniwala si Jude kay Nana.
Dalawa na.
We ordered slushies, blueberry siya. Free pala siya. Free slushies sa Klook tickets namin. You can now, gamitin niyo yung code namin ni June. June Klook! Hazel Klook! Wow!
Okay, this is our last and third one. Ito na.
Kailangan mo pala sumigaw para mag-boost. Okay, I feel like we are going at a faster pace right now. I love this! Nasa finish line na tayo. Ayan. Paano mo sinigaw yung ano mo, rule mo?
Pikachu!
Ayan, kaya nag-fail. Ito, paano mo sinigaw?
Jigglypuff.
Yan! Kasi ito dapat yun. Jiggly! Jiggly! Jigglypuff!
Lumapit lang yung dog sa amin. I now can say, I am a dog whisperer.
Checho doon. Lumapit sa amin. Papakit.
Uhaw na uhaw.
Oh!
5 p.m. na, no? Masyado kaming nag-picture-picture at masyado kaming nag-enjoy sa chikahan. 5 p.m. na, hindi pa kami nakapag-lunch. Gusto mo yan? First meal namin to. Ang cute kasi sa labas ng lunch place may photomatic. Parang it's like a cute photo booth. This is where we are going to eat. Si June yung naghanap nito. It's called Macho Steak. Pagdating mo dito tayo o-order. Pakita ko sa inyo yung order ko. Example, table 7. Sample lang yan ha. Yung order ko is the Iron Plate Beef Bibimbap. Tapos yung mga order nila, ito. Syempre hindi ko alam kung ano yan. Basta ito na lang, ito. Yan yung mga order namin. Tapos sa sides, nag-add lang kami ng mga signature sauces. Both of them are really good. Wow! Very fast service.
Do you ever dream of me? Or are my visions just a one-way street? If they are,
It's very good. JM recommends.
Cause a dream.
Tuwang-tuwa sila. Bakit tuwang-tuwa?
Sarap.
At only rice. Only corn.
Doon naman ka na magpagkakot si Jun sa attention.
Huwag ka na sumali kung hindi ka lang
Ito na, we're gonna do photomatic. Okay, now, we will choose. This is cute. This is cute. This is cute. This is cute. Yay! Finish. I love. Cute. I love it. Parang we always choose like a sepia or a black and white. It's giving like a more nostalgic feels to it. We made it to Hugely! It's like one of those famous cafes na parang may ice cream siya na tangerine yung shape. And then hinihintay lang namin sila Hazel kasi nag-separate kami ng cars. Hindi kasi pwede parang 5 people sa isang taxi. And mahirap kumuha ng jumbo taxis here. Pipili namin to. Can you just imagine how beautiful it is kapag morning and ganito yung view. Then just right in front of the cafe, we have the beautiful view of the ocean. Wow! 안녕하세요. Jeju organic milk, Udo peanut, halabong yogurt, apple mango, tangerine, and strawberry. I got it! Oh my gosh, it just melted. Look. Did you see that? Surprise! Stuck here at Hugely dahil umuulan.
Yung lumalakas.
Importante hindi lang mabasa yung likod. Okay lang yung ulo, pero yung likod hindi pwede.
Sabi ko, paano hindi mababasa likod? Paano kami maglalakad?
Sige, JM! Go 800 meters, ganun ka! Ang ganda. We're passing by this bridge. We're gonna walk home na lang. Tapos we saw this bridge pa. Can you imagine pag umaga? Wow!
24 hours of coffee.
Ang ganda. It's like honesty cafe. May ice cream pa. Tapos ganito yung view mo. You know what, Jeju? You're very Jejuing. Hazel, bawal mabasa yung likod!
Oh, ayusin mo.
Bawal nang open ang neighbor.
Yung first time namin kasama si Nana, sabi niya, maglakad na lang tayo pabalik ng hotel. Malapit lang. Na-search ko na. 4 kilometers lang.
Eh, they trusted me. Kasi first time eh.
Oo, di lakad kami. Noong mga first kilometer, masaya pa kami. Kwentuhan ganyan. Aba, para napapansin ko, nagpas 5 kilometers na kami. Hindi pa rin kami nakakarating ng hotel namin. Tapos kada tanong namin, Nana, ano na ba, malapit na? Sasabihin ni Nana, oo, malapit na!
Ayan na, pagka-left.
Oo, pagka-left na dyan na.
Honestly, hindi ako wrong. Pagka-left namin, eh, mga 4 kilometers pa na straight lang. That was not a lie. Okay?
Hindi namin naramdaman.
Diba?
Hindi namin naramdaman yung mga paa namin sa manid.
The next night, hindi na ako sinama. This is the beauty kasi when you walk. Ang dami mong nakikitang mga ganito, eh hindi nila na-appreciate yun eh. Hindi, JM.
Wag lang yung 8 kilometers lang.
Daanan namin, it's called the Universe Wave. See, this is what I was telling na there's beauty talaga when you walk. Nasa bahay kami ni JM. Paano yung tuhod? Ipakita ang tuhod. JM, saan ka na? 3, 2, right ha? 10, 10, 10. JM! Please! Hindi ka dancer, no? Thank you. Thank you for the food. Let's normalize saying thank you to our friends. Lahat tayo magpapasalamat. Salamat, hey! Alam ko magagalit ka eh. So, sabi ko, salamat, hey! At least hindi ikaw yun. Si hey!
Nasakit ang likod ko. Ano na?
Good morning! It is day 4 here in Jeju Island and it is also our last day. It's raining! Last day na namin and then it started to rain. Usually talaga, ang pangit ng concealer ko for today. Parang notice ko every time we try to leave a place, umuulan siya. Hindi ako sure if it's the sky crying kasi aalis na kami or coincidence na every time paalis na kami umuulan and the whole time we were here, sobrang ganda ng weather. Everybody just wants a different thing. Ewan ko sa kanila kung nasaan silang lahat. Ito yung gusto kong puntahan, yung parang mga fish market. Kasi, one, I want to try the abalone, which you can see right there. Parang feeling ko kasi yung mga ganitong restaurants, may lutong bahay vibes siya. Yun! Walking, and I found this beautiful wall. I think these are all fish markets, which I like. Payong ko! Payong ko! Oh my gosh, I passed by a stingray. Cute! It's a coffee, dessert, and beer restaurant. Napakaaga naman para mag-beer. But it has the perfect view of the ocean. Okay, now we are at this bridge. Pero wait lang, hindi ako makaget over. You see that house right there? I saw henyos there. And they're changing. Oh my gosh, they're changing into their henyo outfit. Like before they dive. 3, beautiful henyus. Oh my gosh! I know marami pang henyo sa Jeju. Pero parang it's a dying culture kasi. Yun yung sabi nila. Oh my gosh, I found them! And I think they're about to go on a dive kasi maybe sila into their diving costume. Alangan ba naman mag-breakfast sila na nakaganon, di ba? And now, JM's Hotel is somewhere here. This is us. We are closer to the fish market. I think people are still amazed by the fact na even though Bebu and I travel together, we always go our separate ways kasi iba-iba kaming gusto. So every time we go on a shopping street, we don't always stay in the same store. I want to go here and he wants to go there and we don't have enough time. Perfect way to solve it is to separate. But like, it's not always a bad thing. Bad lang siya if wala kang internet. What I do, dahil yung phone ko eSIM friendly, I always book yung mga eSIM na the ones that always have the most bookings. I go for that once a clock. For me, it's the most convenient one kasi I don't have to pick up anything at the airport. Bebu prefers a SIM. I prefer an eSIM. So if you guys plan to travel, like if ayaw mo na mahassle, check nyo muna yung clock if eSIMs are available in that country. You can use the code na Nasilero Clock for 5% off. And that's just not for the SIMs. It's for everything. Transportation, hotels, activities, and tours. I just wanted to share that. I found this cute restaurant just right across our hotel. This is our hotel. It's so cute. Bebo and I have been looking for bulgogi for the longest time. Dito lang pala sa likod ng hotel namin, guys. I ordered stir-fried bulgogi beef with rice. Gusto ko kasi kumain ng abalone. But then I realized ko na baka hindi good kumain ng abalone right away, na walang laman yung chan. So, just for 9,001, meron na tayong bulgogi and may konting noodles on top. We have rice, egg, topped with sesame seeds, the soup, and we have radish, onions, and kimchi. Si Bebo nasa BIC chicken or big chicken. Like, it's actually also a famous restaurant here in Korea. He went for the chicken route. I went for the beef. I didn't have enough time to fix my hair this morning. I'm gonna fix it here by the street. I don't know, when it comes to my hair, medyo nahihirapan ako if hindi ako nag-conditioner the night before or hindi ako nag-conditioner this morning. But yeah, this will do. Masyadong mainit na and I don't wanna hold my blazer, so I'm just gonna wear it. And we made it to Umu. Hi!
Annyeonghaseyo. The best daw ang pudding dito. Pudding dito.
That's what she said.
Tapos malapit lang siya sa may Dongmon Market. Pwede siyang lakarin.
Period. What he said. Yung vlog ko puro, hey guys!
Ang giving mo today, para ka...
Ano?
Parang
CEO.
hindi siya si Nana, para siyang CEO.
Para siyang si Nano.
Bakit mo kasi, don't compliment me in front of them. More. Try na natin si chocolate. Or,
Tayo natin lahat.
since done.
Okay, done.
Done. Sabi ko guys, I really
Di ba may vlog ka na sabi mo ka
Pwede pakinggan nyo muna ako. Sabi ko guys, I really feel like magda-dive sila kasi imposible naman magbe-breakfast sila tapos naka-diving suit, di ba?
Yes, yes.
Sobrang cool. As in, pero matanda na sila.
Guys, ano?
Gusto ko yung wala kang pakialam sa akin. Yung importante sa'yo, yung angle ng camera natin. Oh, guess the flavor na lang.
Sige. Try.
Okay, again, you know what to do if masarap and you know what to do if hindi masarap, ah. Go. Stop the car.
So this one's oat. See? I told you.
Dumalawa agad.
Oh, dumalawa agad eh. You like that?
Yep.
Sakto lang sa akin.
Ito masarap. Ano to? Earl Grey.
Earl Grey. Yung sa
Si
akin.
Nana hindi niya kinukuha yung ganito.
Oo nga, kami kinukuha namin.
Kaya kunin mo ba tayo mo?
Kaya pala hirap na hirap siya.
Hirap na hirap.
Sorry. Ito yung custard.
I like this.
Sucks lang si Oat Biga.
Diba? Nagustuhan niya. Oh.
Okay. Sabi ni JM, feeling ko alam ko na yung flavor. Feeling ko ube. Chocolate.
Next, ano?
Matcha.
Hindi, ube to ube.
Ube. Okay, you guys know what to do.
Ano,
Wala kang
sarap.
pinapoint.
Hindi ako may chocolate.
Sucks lang.
Sa'yo, chocolate, hindi ka pala mag-try?
Ano? Galing na ako dito.
Ay, hindi ako mahilig sa peanut.
Saks lang sa akin chocolate.
Pero yung winner,
Anong winner? Custard ako.
Oh my God!
Custard.
Yun ang hindi namin winner.
Least
Pero
favorite nila.
for today, ang mas masarap nga yung custard. Hindi ko
Custard.
alam pati masarap yung matcha today.
sure ako panis yung atay niyo.
Actually.
Sarap yun. Ay, sorry. Sabi niya din, actually.
Sabi ni Hazel, sana makatikim si June ng chocolate. Yung chocolate.
Winner for me, custard. Winner for you.
Custard.
Winner for you.
Peanut.
Winner for you.
Ay, ayaw talaga.
Hindi kasi yung peanut, Jeju peanut siya.
Ang cute. This store is called Miso Miso. Bumili ako ng parang Yakult nila sa Jeju. For once in my life, na libre ko din ng isang JM Bangkwisyo.
Bali.
Kamsahamnida! Ito daw yung version nila ng Yakult. Taste test!
Lasang Yakult. Same lang.
Sweeter. Sweeter than Yakult. Pero ang sarap. Tapos, binaliktad lang nila para hindi masyadong halata na kinopya talaga yung Yakult. Goodbye, Jeju! It's a bit scary because it's raining so hard outside. I'm hoping and praying na okay lang yung flight namin. Made it back to Seoul. We found roti. It's called Roti Boy. 2 pieces, 2 pieces, 2 pieces. 감사합니다. Try. I ordered 2 each. First one we're going to try is the mocha. Now, we're going to try the cheese.
Saan kinakain ng roti?
Manila. Then last, the original one. I will bite na lang. Ito na. Swear. Ano na? Roti Boy. Sinabi ko kay Hazel King na gusto ko kumain sa mga ganitong place and she allowed me. She said yes. Ayan o, grilled short rib patties. It's a fish soup. Oh, may sentence pa. My favorites from GS25.
Talaga?
Yeah, actually, anything watermelon. Yay! Octopus! Yay! Happy siya. Yung shell natin nandyan na. Pero in fairness, mahal siya, but kinda you get what you pay for.
Yes.
Sarap. Short rib patty. Yay! Happy kami. Happy kami sa lahat. Happy. Gustong-gusto ni Hazel King na gawan ko daw ng dance step yung song ni Taylor Swift na Opalite. Sabi niya, kailangan ko pakinggan. No. Kailangan niya ako. Pakinggan. For dessert, dito kami sa Baskin Robbins. Ay. Masarap daw yung Baskin Robbins na Korea dahil marami daw flavors. So, pinaglaban talaga ni Mars to eh. Nami gidya. Almond bonbon for Hazel, New York cheesecake for Bebu, and watermelon euro for me. Hello! The big cute Hazel King. XS ka na, naging XXXXX ka pa. Good morning! It is our last full day here in Korea. And this is the fit. Nag-decide kami mag-matchy-matchy because we're gonna be doing a dance cover that is about to blow up the internet. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I'm gonna wear my Salomons today. I saw this pair when I went to Korea last time. Tapos sabi ko, huwag muna kasi medyo pricey siya, no? Pero sabi ko, if I see it again, bibilhin ko na talaga siya. And I saw it again. I saw it sa Shangri-La, I believe. And I was with Archie, Charuth, and Fons. And then Bebo and I bought the same thing because we like to twin. Parang it's not a thing anymore when couples twin. But me and Bebo, we like to twin all the time. Dito kami ngayon sa second floor. Parang meron siyang common area. This is free of use. Sa lahat ng residents dito, you can use it. Ang ganda! Kaya na bitawan ni June. Anxiety burps.
my God, di ka takot? Oh! Ang galing ni Nana! Oh my God, first time ko makakita ng nakagawa nito.
Where are you taking us?
Dito tayo sa mole, guys. We're here in mole. Ayan ang mole.
Ayan. Mole.
Parang nandito yung mga factories, mga steelworks, ganon. Yung mga sirang electric fan, whatever, junk shops, ganyan.
Ito na. Ay, cuties! Aww! Dito na lang pala kami kakain sa Chizu. Pero parang hindi siya English eh. So just screenshot if you want to try it. Yay! Our food's here. Risotto. You got? Risotto. You got? Chimken. You got? Chimken. Sa tagal nating magkasama, parang pareho na tayong kinakain. Here's bite. Sarap naman. Here's the coffee place. It's called After Work Club. I got the strawberry latte, tapos si Bebu. Coffee jelly. Latte. Pang baby lang. Baby-babyhan lang. Next. We're going naman to a different area. Sabi ni Hazel King, mas aesthetic daw yung place na yun. More yung photo opportunities. We're trying to brainstorm how we're gonna dance the Opalite. 3, go! All my life, when it finished. Wow. Hazel brought us to a new place. It's called Soul Forest. Parang may forest on that side. Tapos on this side, puro cafe. There's like a bee.
B is for Bebu. Bebu.
Enough. I'm telling you, enough is enough. Hi. So cute. So cute.
Guys, popular tong cafe na to. Japanese cafe siya na may mga matcha. Mga haba pila niyan lagi. But ewan ko why not. Popular brand.
Ang ganda.
And
Happy
clothing.
ako. Mas happy ako if nasa screen ako.
Yeah, guys.
Alam mo yun?
Hi, guys.
Super nice. At dahil
nice.
super nice siya, videoan mo. We just finished filming the dance na Opalite. So this is just me before getting famous, I guess. This is us, me staying humble. Sobrang saya traveling to a different country na may kilala ka, na may local. Now I totally understand why Archie would keep on coming back sa Japan. Because ang dami niyang locals na kilala. So now that Hazel is here, I feel like she's telling me so many things that hindi ko malalaman if ako lang nagta-travel or si Bebu yung kasama ko. We are going here. Nandyan na sila sa taas. I think this is called Belia. O, tandaan niyo lang. Kasi maraming bags dito na magaganda eh. See? Maganda nga. What? Did you get anything? Cool. This part naman, mga cafe. Ayan, ang dami. I love it. If mahilig ka mag-take ng pictures, this is like the perfect street. It's called Forrest Gump.
I love. It's giving Nana.
Kilala mo ba si Forrest Gump?
Hindi. Nagaganda lang ako.
Ay, bakit ka tumatawa?
It's giving Nana kasi yung vlog. I
Vlog.
love. Ganun dapat. Inventohin mo na lang yung place pag di mo alam.
Ito na, we found the spot. It's spotless. Kailangan muna namin mag-cafe very quick kasi I need to work. Saturday na Saturday, kailangan natin magtrabaho. Ginusto natin yung life na to. Ay, hindi yan nagre-reklamo ha. I'm just thankful and grateful. I'm able to live this life. You know, I'm able to travel and work at the same time. And I'm so grateful sa mga brands na were always supportive and patient when it comes to me traveling. Yeah, trabaho muna tayo ng very quick. Ang cute pala nung nasa loob. The moment you go inside, ayan siya. It's so cute. Sobrang ganda. Tapos parang may perfect window there. Para may view. Pero ganito siya inside. May winding stairs pa. As in, sobrang nagandahan ako sa got style. Parang it's emphasizing the curves of your body. Yeah, I just love it. I love the design. I love the color. Perfect yung cut. Let's eat chicken. Dito na kami nag-dinner. Pero nag-work lang ako and ate just a little bit. So, ito yung menu nila. It's actually really good. I suggest bumili kayo ng mga ganito. Ito yung order ni Bebu. And kinain ko yung fries and the sauce is really, really good. We made it to Seongsu. Magandang brand daw si indie brand kasi mura. O, malaki yung word na sale. And then ito buong shopping street na daw to. Ang dami. Maybe you should spend at least a whole day for shopping. Kami medyo late na kami dumating kasi dami namin ginawa today. Wala naman kaming masyadong gustong bilhin in mind. Walang brand in mind. Bebo kasi gusto niya bumili ng bag. Hindi naman maluho si Bebo sa bag. Isa lang nga yung bag na parati niyang ginagamit. He wants to level up just a little bit. Cute! Color Frank. Gusto mo may platform? Oh, it's the last one. Super cute, super Bebo. Mars, favorite color natin. Ano, favorite color mo lang? Ha? Fun fact, isa sa mga pinaka-iconic na places dito is yung Dior. It's supposed to be just a pop-up, pero ewan, baka naging permanent na siya. Siguro maganda yung sales. Naging iconic na siya na spot dito sa Seongsu. Ito din, kung gusto niyo mga perfume, Kinfolk is also like a really good brand here in Korea. Maganda, long-lasting, pero medyo pricey. So I'm just showing you, just in case gusto niyo i-try. Pag may nakita kasi akong color red na may sale, dun tayo, Mars. Mukha akong... Ayan. Ang dami kong nakuha. Nasabi ko sa inyo, pag naka-sale. I like this. Sabi ni Hazel, it's giving Bebo. Female version. Bebe. Yeah.
Yes, pero kung mura. Kung sale. Aras.
Done. I'll show you later what I bought. Ay, ang cute ng Aesop nila dito. Favorite to ni Mommy. I'm thinking of you, Mommy. Today's Mom's birthday. Maganda daw yung mga shoes nila dyan. Like, really, really nice, unique pieces. Tapos beside it, there's this beautiful cafe.
Yung mga Korea exclusive, usually nandito.
Nasa Musinsa. We made it to House Nowhere Seoul. This time it's the right one. And we can see the Doge. It's right there. House Nowhere Seoul. Toksond. I'm so happy. Gumagalaw pa yung ears niya. Super worth it. Worth it yung lakad namin. Sobra, babe. Super happy. I don't know if you can tell, but like humihinga yung aso. Ito yung mga perfume sa tambourines. Ito yung hinahanap ko. This one. Grabe, I might be the happiest girl right now. Basta I need to purchase something worth 70,000 won. Tapos I can get this one for free. Ngayon ko lang nalaman na yung Gentle Monster and Tambourines pala, they are one company.
Yeah.
That's why every House Nowhere, sabay silang dalawa. May baby version din, no? Ito yung position ni Kimchi and ni Goldie every day. When they sleep, when they wanna rest, ito na. Salamat po! Camo is their best seller. Ito yung binili ni Bebo. But for me, mas gusto ko yung something sweet. I got the pumpkin. This one smells so good on my skin. I suggest na if you buy something, aside from putting it on paper, you spray it on your skin because it will smell different for everyone. I love! It's giving Coachella. It's giving Coachella April 2026 Justin Bieber lineup. Para gusto ko lang ma-involve sa picture. Ang ganda! The pumpkin smells really good.
Oh, you tried the...
Yeah, I tried it on my skin.
I like that one.
Yeah, I got it! The perfume really smells so good and may free doggy pa. Dito na kami, bumalik kami sa Kuweren pala. Kuweren mag-pronounce. Yan yung mga pieces nila. All handmade. Knock knock. Who's there? Keychain.
Keychain who?
Puritin mo ako. Aray! Mas keychain! Bye! I'm leaving them here.
Enjoy Hongdae, I guess.
They're gonna play LOL. Unfortunately, I do not play LOL. Hindi ako marunong. Pero sila, mga gamers sila. They're gonna play for a few hours and I'm gonna shop. I guess that's all I wanna do now. Bye, kids. Bye-bye. I love you. I love you, baby. Dito na ako sa New. This place is one of my top favorite places to shop at. Mura lang siya. Tapos yung mga binibenta nila parang it's super trendy. Ang ganda ng style. Tapos ang daming choices. Like I bought so many shades here. Ito yung bags, ito yung mga hats. Basta marami pa siyang floors. Sobrang happy ko when they said that they're gonna play. Because I'm gonna play too. Play shopping. Gustong gusto to ni Mommy eh. Gusto ko yung mga ganito because winter is coming, guys. So, may mga candles, more bags, and mga stuff for the hair, accessories. They also have mga keychain, more bags. Hindi yata natatapos yung mga bags, guys. Mahilig ako sa mga ganito. Sobrang cute. I've been looking for a bag that looks like this. Feeling ko I'm gonna get one. Small, the medium one, and the large one. Kawaii! For sure, ang dami mong mafe-fit dito. I'm gonna get it. I'm done shopping. Konti lang binili ko. I just bought a gift for my mom because it's her birthday today. And then a little bit for Bebo's mom and my dad also. I don't usually buy pasalubong. I'm not a fan of pasalubongs. But like, the bags are really cute. So, I have to get one for them too. The store is closing, so it's the perfect time to film kasi wala na masyadong tao. But you guys have to visit New talaga when you go to Korea. If mahilig ka mag-shopping, if mahilig ka sa clothes, New is a must. I bought food, kebab. Yeah, takeout is great. Thank you. I'll show you everything that I bought later when I get home. For now, you're gonna watch me eat my kebab. It's currently 11:30. Alam mo, hindi nag-text si Bebo sa akin. So good. Daming tao, daming foreigners because it's a weekend. So everybody's drinking, everybody's partying. That's not me anymore, guys. Just gonna take another bite and then I'm gonna go back to them na. I'm back with them. Found them, guys. Let's go, babe! In the white corner, we have just the baby. My baby! Ubusin ang ating ferry. Ang tanong ng lahat, may jowa ka ba? Sumusobra ka na, babe! Masyadong natuwa yung mga jowa namin. Tignan nyo kaming dalawa. It's giving! Hindi sila Disney princess today. I will redeem myself. My God! Sige!
You are a winner!
What the hell? We are home. Nakalagay sale. Sabi ko sa inyo, pag may sale, dyan yung ako makikita. Oh, it's giving army.
Ganda!
It's giving artista sa airport. It's giving Jenny Kim. Period. Period. And then I have this one. Parang matchy-matchy. It's a set. And then, masaya ako kasi I can use this sa Philippines. It's very, very, very thin, which is good. Tapos meron siyang shoulder pads. Ayun. Cutie sweater na parang there's an inner, of course. Pero you can use it na walang inner. But it's yellow. It's my favorite color. It's not too thick. It's perfect for the upcoming cold seasons. Not for winter, though. Next one is this set. Parang meron siyang camiseta inside. And then, parang it's this very, linen yata to yung texture na ganito. And it's purpley, it's lavendery, it's pink, depende sa lighting. It's very soft. I'm happy I can wear this in the Philippines. I got this one for Bebu also. It's cute. Mahilig si Bebu sa mga muscle tee. And he also likes mga crop top. One, this green top, and this maroon top. Looks really good on him. I'm very happy with this one. Meron kasing ganito si Bebu and I always wear it. This time, it has a female version now. Ta-da! So cute.
Any shorts?
May shorts. I like it. It's a bit expensive. Parang 27 siya. I don't have a skirt that looks like this. I bought mga bonnet for mom and dad before we're traveling. So this one is for mom. Gusto ni daddy yung mga ganito. He likes it like this. This is what I bought for myself. Hazel King, you will like it. You will like it. I bought this.
Nice!
Right?
Giving Switzerland.
Oh, I got another one for dad. It's like more of like the waterproof.
Cute.
Ganon. Got this for my mommy. Oh, and then I got this for Tita. Look, Pangga.
Oh my God, Susan, my God.
So I bought a bag for myself. But I always need to get Hazel's approval. It's the first time I bought a bag without your approval. But you know how much I like mga ganitong bags.
Yo! I love it.
Believe it or not, 17,500 won only. I know, right? The skirts are more expensive. Pero yung winner talaga for today's episode is ang freebie. Happiest day of my life. Ito lang since day one. I believe since the first day I got here sa Korea. Ito lang yung paulit-ulit kong sinasabi na ito lang yung gusto ko. And I got it.